Excuse me, how much is this meat per kilogram?
It's $10 per kilogram, ma'am.
Okay, I'll take half a kilogram.
Sure thing. Let me cut it for you.
Thank you. Now, I'd like to buy some vegetables. How much are these carrots per bunch?
They're $2 per bunch.
I'll take 2 bunches. And how about these onions?
The onions are $3 per kilogram.
I'll take half a kilogram of onions, please.
Okay. Anything else?
Yes, I need some cooking oil and salt. How much are those?
The cooking oil is $5 per litre and the salt is $1 per packet.
I'll take 1 litre of oil and 2 packets of salt.
All right, let me add that up for you.